Okay, we're doing a crankshaft position sensor on a 2013, 2012 Chevy Sonic. It's a 1.4 liter with a turbo. Now, this is the part right here, right? It's just a bolt. Da 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 da. Most people say you got to take out the starter. I'm gonna try to do it without removing the starter. There's your starter right there, and there is the part right there. So that's it right there, that bolt. So there's your crank sensor. There's your starter right there. There's your starter. There's your crank sensor. So it's an 8mm bolt, inverted Torx. So I'm gonna try to take this out without taking out the starter. All right, so there we go right there. I was able to get it out without removing the starter. It's the same piece. And so it's got like a little release tab, that little silver piece. You need to pull that back before you can use a little screwdriver. All right, so I'm gonna put the new one in, reset the check engine light, and call this one a day. All right. It's a 1.4 liter Sonic with a turbo crankshaft position sensor. Oh yeah, and I pulled it out using this guy right here, hose clamp pliers, and pry bar.